Here's an Otis Otilec mod Liftronic hydraulic lift at Central train station. Apparently this is getting replaced. Lucky Vid's transport vlogs uploaded this the other day, and he said that this is possibly getting a replacement, but there's no evidence to confirm that. Okay. Going up. Are you going down?
Yeah, down, bro.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
I'm gonna just hold this drink of like pouring it around. Imagining spilling it all down the bag.